I'm Just In Case, and just in case you thought the US was losing the resource war to Saudi oil, you're wrong. We actually own the most important patch of dirt on the planet, and most of you are too busy scrolling through digital slop to notice. While the world obsesses over crude oil, the real monolithic power move is happening in Spruce Pine, North Carolina. This isn't just sand, it's a 99.999% pure silica monopoly. Stop the flow of this material, and the entire planet slips backward 25 years into a techless hellscape. It's the ultimate esoteric choke point. Every iPhone, every NVIDIA H100, and every server powering the AI apocalypse requires this specific quartz to exist. The industry likes to use obfuscation to keep this quiet, but here's the reality. This isn't a nice-to-have, it's a must-have. Just in case you thought China's chip industry was about to lap us, remember this: if the US cuts off Spruce Pine, Taiwan's foundries stop dead in their tracks. You can't just find another deposit. This was a freak geological accident involving 100 million years of water-free cooking that humans can't replicate. The deep text here is a literal black art. To grow a silicone ingot, you need a crucible that won't contaminate the melt at 1300 degrees Celsius. These crucibles are made from spruce pine quartz, and they are destroyed after every single use. It takes one crucible just to make the chips for 1 million iPhones. We're talking 11 nines of purity. That's 99.9999999%, a level of perfection that makes solar-grade silicon look like absolute garbage. Just in case you think science has all the answers, even the master growers who pull these crystals by hand fail 30% of the time despite perfect settings. It's a high-stakes game of alchemy where the US holds the only ingredients. China won the solar wars by throwing cheap electricity at 9-9 silicone, but they haven't cracked the 11-9 code because they don't have the rocks or the black art. We are living in a digital empire built on a foundation of very specific, very rare North Carolinian sand. Subscribe, or don't. Do it just in case the algorithm decides to stop feeding you brain rot and shows you how the world actually works for once. I'm Just In Case. I'll see you in the next one.